Welcome back to Engaging with Engage. This tutorial will cover basic functionality of our web app, which is used to store and serve files in virtual environments, your account administration, and for setting up meetings, events, and classes. Ready? Let's begin. To access the Engage web app, you can simply go to our website at www.engagevr.io and click on Login. At Engage, the security and safety of our users is at the core of everything we build. And to this end, we have various different options for signing in to your Engage account. It can be as simple as using your username, email address, and password combination, or logging in with secure SSO and authorizing codes. In this example, we are already signed in via SSO. When logged in, you will be greeted by your profile page, which has an overview of your account. From here, you can edit your profile and administrate your account settings. Settings is used primarily for security, billing, and login information. You can change your email address, change your password, set up two-factor authentication, set up single sign-on, review your billing details, review your personal activity log, or view your payment history. Please note that security features such as two-factor authentication and single sign-on are covered extensively in our security tutorials, and we won't go into detail in this video. Groups are useful for large-scale organizations and schools, where you might want to separate users into groups for administration and security. Many features within Engage run on group basis, allowing you to lock down access to features and content. Only enterprise users can set up groups, but any type of user can become a member. If you have an invitation to a group, you will see it listed here, and you will also receive an email to let you know. Groups are primarily used to separate students into classes and organizations into departments. We will cover users, groups, and administrators in our Enterprise Administration Portal tutorial video later in this series. Events is the Engage scheduling system where you can browse events taking place or create your own event. Events can be classes, meetings, conferences, or just get-togethers, and can be published for the public to join or made private for invited people only. The events homepage seen here shows a list of current public events, but you can also browse private events within your organization using the My Groups tab. To join an event, find what you are interested in joining, click on it, and you will see additional details about the event. You can select if you are interested in the event or if you want to attend the event. The copy link is useful if you want to email the event link to somebody else. If you choose to attend an event, you will receive a notification via email about the event and a reminder 15 minutes before it's due to start. Think of this scheduling system similar to Teams or Zoom events. Next, let's create our own event and walk through some of the basic options. From the Events homepage, click Create to add your own event. Give your event a title. Choose a start date and time. Add a short description. Choose if you want your email address shown on the event listing, and choose what type of event you wish to host. Add a longer description here if needed. To personalize the event, you can add an image here by simply uploading it from your computer. You can choose to limit the number of people for the event here if you wish, and you can ask users to also enter a password when joining if needed. Under Advanced Settings for the event, you can choose if you want the event listed on the public list or not. If non-public, only users who receive the event ID or join link via email will be able to find the event. You can also secure your event further by only allowing people within your group or organisation to join it. If you are the administrator of an Engage persistent session, you will have additional options for hosting the event and making it scalable for thousands of users. Please note, we will cover events, scalable sessions and event administration in a follow-on video. Next, we're going to look at files, or cloud files, a place where you can upload traditional media such as audio, videos, documents, and 3D models. This is the Files homepage. Here you will see a list of folders for the types of files Engage supports. We will explain each individually. Across the top, you will see tabs where you can view recent files you have interacted with, any files you have shared with others, any files others have shared with you, a list of favourites, and the recycle bin, in case you delete something in error. IFX snapshots are collections of 3D models, images, and other Engage objects, which you can group together in virtual locations. Snapshots are very useful if you're branding a location or decorating it with your own 3D models. They provide an easy way to group multiple objects together to load them quickly into your session. Snapshots can only be made inside virtual sessions, but you can share them via the web app with other users. On screen right now, I'm creating a collection of 3D models and placing them in my scene. Once placed, I can choose to save the group as an IFX snapshot to make loading them easier in the future. Depending on if you're the host or not, you can choose to save just your own IFX objects or all IFX objects which were shared in the session. Type a unique name for your IFX snapshot so you will remember it. IFX snapshots are saved to your device, and you also have the option to save it to cloud files, which are available via your web app. Next, you can upload images directly into Engage via the web app. Just upload them here, and they will be available in your Engage virtual sessions via the Cloud Files menu. Here we are, back inside an Engage session, where I am browsing my image files, which were uploaded via the web app. Standard images and 360 images are supported. Once loaded, you can place images anywhere inside your session. 3D models follow the very same process as uploading images. However, we recommend using our IFX importer tool, which we will cover later in this video. Only use 3D model uploads for prototyping if possible. Next, our video uploader can import many different file types. However, we recommend .mp4 when possible, as the most optimized for download size and quality. Once uploaded, you can see a preview of the file, and you can share it with others if needed. To access your uploaded videos inside Engage, as with images, just go to the Videos folder under Cloud Files and select the video you wish to play. Engage supports a wide range of formats, including standard videos, 3D videos, and 360 videos.
What if you could meet the people that shaped our society?
Audio files follow the same pattern as video files. Just upload your files into the Audio folder and access them inside Engage under Cloud Files. For audio, we support .wav and .mp3, and when placed inside Engage, you can place audio as spatial audio so that it's louder the closer you get to the file. When inside Engage, you can create spatial recordings, where Engage can record everything you do and say when inside a session, and can play it back as if happening live. These spatial recordings can be edited later in your Experience Editor turning your recordings into full immersive experiences. To help with this process, Engage has the ability to upload your recordings from inside Engage, so you can view and share them via the web app.
They are purring, they are soft, they are cute, and we don't sometimes think about the fact that they are also some of the most efficient and dangerous predators.
If you choose to store your spatial recording to cloud files, you will find them under Files and Spatial Recordings. Finally, under Files, you will find Experiences. These are files you create with our Experience Editor, which are a combination of spatial recordings, IFX, audio and visual files, all of which, when combined, create a fully immersive experience for your employees or students. We cover experience files in our Experience Editor tutorials later in this series. IFX and locations are specialist areas for 3D artists and developers who want to upload their own work to Engage. This allows files which are Unity 3D compatible to be uploaded to Engage and used within virtual settings. These sections will be covered in our developer support tutorials later in this series. Our Quizzes feature allows you to create and share different multiple-choice pop quizzes inside virtual settings, which is useful for assessments and progression tracking. Quizzes are very flexible, and the creation tool is based on industry-standard UX, making it easy to pick up and run with. To serve a quiz when inside an Engage session, just open up your menu and go to Quizzes. Here, you can choose what quiz you wish to send to attendees within your session. All the data is stored here in your web app, which you can review later. Next, Notes allows you to create and edit notes which are easily accessible inside your Engage sessions later. Simply type what you want and access it via our In-Session menu under Notes. You can also create sticky notes in session if you wish to share your notes with others in the room. Media is where Engage users can store web links from different supported sources, such as websites, YouTube, and cloud services. Under Media, web links is where you can store direct URLs to web pages and online PowerPoint presentations. To access your web links in session, go to the Web tab at the bottom of the menu and click on Web Links. You will see your stored links here. To add your own link, just click Add Web Link. Add the URL you wish to use, give it a title and a short description if needed. Adding video links is done in a very similar fashion. Just grab the share link you need from YouTube. Go to the web app and under Media and Video Links, click Add Video Link. Paste the share link in the URL box, give the video a title, add a short description if needed. Engage supports standard videos as well as 3D videos and 360 videos when in VR. To view your video in session, simply open the menu and go to Shared Screen. Here, you will see an option at the top of the screen called My Video Links. This is where you will find your stored links. Click on the video you wish to view and share it with others in the session. Finally, under Media, we have Cloud Connections. This allows you to link your OneDrive or Dropbox account with Engage. Simply click on Connect and follow the on-screen instructions. One thing to note is that Engage web screens are based on Google Chrome support for Android devices. Any website or file that works on Google Chrome for Android devices should work the same inside Engage. That's it for the web app overview. Please view our other Engaging with Engage tutorials to go in depth on creation tools and AI functionality.